India's securities regulator, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, has put forward new proposals to refine the country's futures and options market. SEBI released a consultation paper outlining changes to how open interest is calculated. Open interest is the total number of active, unsettled future and options contracts in the market. Currently, it's tracked using the notional value of these contracts, which is the total value of the underlying assets. SEBI now suggests switching to a delta-based approach, where delta measures how sensitive an options price is to changes in the underlying stock price. This shift aims to provide a more accurate picture of risk exposure. The proposal addresses a practical issue, that is when open interest exceeds a set limit. SEBI halts new future and options positions in that stock to curb speculation. Under the existing notional value method, these bans happen too often, interrupting trading flows. SEBI data shows that a delta-based calculation could cut these restrictions by 90%, boosting market liquidity and reducing disruptions for traders. This move builds on earlier regulations. In July 2024, SEBI tightened future and options rules by raising the minimum contract size and mandating upfront option premium payments. Those steps aim to shield retail investors who faced losses exceeding 51,000 crore in future and options trading during the last financial year. The latest proposal shifts focus to risk management, aiming for stability without overhauling the system. SEBI is also exploring ways to tackle concentration risk when trading activity clusters heavily in a few stocks. The regulator has opened the floor for public input, following a strong response to its July 2024 paper, which drew about 6,000 comments. Final rules may take months to emerge, with no set timeline for implementation. If SEBI implements its delta-based open interest calculation, traders could see fewer trading bans, enhancing liquidity and reducing disruptions. This shift from notional value might better reflect risk, offering a smoother future and options market. Coupled with prior rules, it balances growth and stability, potentially benefiting traders while curbing excessive speculation. For investors, these changes could mean a smoother, more predictable future and options market. By easing the frequency of trading bans, SEBI seeks to balance growth in India's dynamic derivatives space with safeguards against excessive risk. Stay tuned for updates on this and all other business-related news.